Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Up. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up on Telegram. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then tap on Start Messaging. Once you do that, you're gonna have to go ahead and choose the country or region you're from. Then give your phone number and tap on continue. Once you do that, check your number and tap on continue again. Then in couple seconds, Telegram will send you a verification code. Telegram is going to call you and give you a verification code, or you can wait a couple minutes and you can request an SMS from Telegram. Once you get the verification code, type in the verification code, then you're in. And guys, that's it. That's how you sign up on Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.